everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I'm going to put together my January 2019 Mini Kit Monday. Now I have to say I normally don't do it like this, as you guys know, but I decided to make it a little easier trying to get over the holiday hump kind of stuff. I don't want to do any Christmas or winter. I want to start thinking ahead, so I pulled out my Valentine box. Why do I have a Valentine box filled with papers and embellishments? I don't know. Because I don't have a sweetheart. None of my kids are married. Nor do they have boyfriends. So, like, one of them does, but anyway. But I chose to do this because I got these items at Tuesday morning, and I got them probably in the summer, and I just put them off to the side. And so what I got was this 6x8 paper, and there are 2 sheets of each design in here, and it's double-sided because sometimes I really just like the solid. They're so pretty, so pretty. This is left over from, it came from in here because I did have some 12x12 paper, but this is what it looks like on the opposite side. I also got this at Tuesday morning. These are the epoxy stickers. I don't know what that one says. It doesn't really matter. And then I got these, this is called Make Your Mark. These are the paper pieces, and they're from Bella Boulevard. I love those flowers. I think they're called posies, but I don't really know. I'm not a flower person. So it doesn't say how many pieces, but there's plenty to choose from. And then these are the gift tags, which I love. Love, love, love. Probably because it has a watercolor look to it. So I'm definitely going to be using this. So everything else in here should kind of coordinate because I do have some of these papers from years ago in here. I want you to know I have not opened this in 1 year. I have no idea what's inside, so it'll be a surprise to me as well as to you. Okay. Oh, look at this. So isn't that amazing? So Illustrated Faith has the same posy papers. That's probably what I'm thinking about. See how it's the same color coordinated. Also a 6x8 card. This one is called You Are Loved. Amazing. So I will pull these both out. I'll definitely keep this. Now, I don't know, these all that have Valentine's Day on it, I don't know if I'll ever use it. I'm sure I will. Okay, My Story. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I love these colors, but they don't really go with what I'm using, so I'm going to put those off to the side. I'm not quite sure where I got this, but here's a bunch of bows and some rhinestones. Looks like a lot of Valentine's Day stuff. Let me see if I can use the bows and the rhinestones. And then Valentina, little bits. I'll pull that out too. And the Pretty Little Studio, oh, XOXO Hello Heather. I like those. Sometimes this color red is hard to match, but I'm going to see if I can get it to work here. You know, it's funny. I don't remember where I got a lot of these things. I love Brad. So here's some pink and some red in here. These are Karen Foster design. Once again, I don't know where I got them, but they're coming out. I think that will work. That could be a layer. I'm not going to use those. This would be perfect. It's got the pink with the black. At least I have one 12x12 paper. So I will definitely be using that. I put all my scraps in here that, well, at least a lot of my scraps. So I think I'll pull this out as well. I don't know, I should know this, but I don't know how many Mondays there are in January. But I'll make at least 4 pages, and I don't want a bunch of stuff out. And after doing the November and December kit, I've done this twice last year, I get tired of it after the second month, and so I only want to do 1 month. But the colors all coordinate. This says I love you. Yeah, let me see if I can use that. That is by Fancy Pants. It's a wooden phrase. It's pretty thick. Yeah, I will try to use that. Here's some arrows. There's not much on here. Of course, I got it at Tuesday morning. I want to go ahead and use that up. I think this is mainly Valentine's Day stuff. I'm not going to pull that out. And I'm not going to pull that one out either. I'm going to go through this in just a minute. So this is what I do. That when I have a paper pad that is themed, like Christmas and fall, is I designate a box or an iris container, and I just put that paper pad in it. And this is from several years ago, and I guess I got that at Michael's. And even though there are colors that, I mean, I could use this year round, I wanted to have some papers for Valentine's Day, or I know that there's pink in here. See, that would be nice. I like the black and white. Ooh, isn't that pretty? See how it is? But I have so many other papers that I need to use as well. I'm going to go ahead and keep this in here untouched. And I know that they're 12 by 12s, but you know, that's how it is. And then these papers look like they went with this, so I'm not going to use that. I have a big heart, looks like I cut out. I might use that as a stencil, so let me put that out. And I say no on that. I'm going with my gut. I love the black and white, so I'm going to pull that out. These are little fringed arrows with some gold accents. Let me see if I can use those. February 14th. I think this had some fringed hearts, but I used all of those up from before. But for some reason, I don't even know why this is still in here, so I'm going to toss that. If it says like Valentine-y kind of stuff, I'm not going to use it. You know, like I said, I don't know why. I would. So I do like this one, this pink. I think that's a crepe paper. All right, Heart Day. These are from kits I've had in the past. These look like all Valentines. Of course, black. These look like all Valentine's phrases. This is Heart Day from Crepe Paper. I don't even know what year that's from. I know that that is part of the Illustrated Faith. I may just go with that. Look how pretty this is. This is all I have. I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to use that. XOXO. It has a little sticker on the back. Only causes problems. I'm going to take it off. Alright. And then I have this black and white tissue paper. well. And then I have some extra bags from Quick Kits. I'm going to pull those out because I could always use those. All right, so this is what I'm not going to use. And I think what I'll do is when I'm done with this kit, it's all going to go back in here. That way it'll be like a present for me next year. I like that. I like when I do that. Okay, let me show you what's in here. And I showed a little bit what was in there. This is like there is gold, but this color is a rose gold. So kind of pinky. You know, I think this was a card, the LOVE, and I painted it with watercolors because it feels like I did. And then here's these cute little hearts. I'm not a huge fan of these, but I will try to use them. Some scraps. Probably have to get some more gold out. Oh, look at the lips. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna lay here and we'll figure out something for them. Here's a little glassine bag. That's a sticker. Love, I have to do it that direction so you can read the word. A lot of black. Some of these colors I'm not too fond of, but these look like Simple Stories. So anyway, that is a very big kit for January, and I will have a video of my first layout right after this one. All right, guys, I would love it if you would join us and just let me or Becky or any of the other ladies that are part of the group, Becky Bidding, Kathy Feigl, JoJo. We do have a new girl, and I apologize, I forgot her name, but that's okay because I'm going to have everyone's link to their channel in my description box. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.